What makes passive house construction so energy efficient? Imagine a home that stays comfortable all year round without huge energy bills. That's what makes passive house construction stand out. It's all about smart design and careful building techniques. The secret begins with a super-insulated building envelope. Walls, roofs, and floors are packed with thick insulation to block heat from escaping in winter or entering in summer. This continuous insulation wraps the entire building without gaps, creating a thermal barrier that keeps indoor temperatures steady. Because of this, the need for active heating or cooling drops dramatically, sometimes by up to 90% compared to traditional homes. Next is airtight construction. Builders seal every crack and gap in the building envelope. This prevents drafts and uncontrolled air leaks that waste energy. An airtight home also means better indoor air quality and more consistent temperatures. It's like giving your house a protective shield that keeps the climate inside just right. High-performance windows and doors are another key. These are usually triple or double glazed with special low-emissivity coatings. They trap heat during cold months and let in natural light. Insulated frames add extra protection. Proper window placement and shading help maximize sunlight in winter and prevent overheating in summer, making the home more energy efficient. Thermal bridge-free design is also vital. Structural elements like metal connectors or wooden studs can create weak spots where heat can bypass insulation. Passive house builders carefully detail and construct to eliminate or minimize these thermal bridges. This ensures the insulation works at its best, keeping heat where it should be. Finally, heat recovery ventilation systems play a big role. Because the building is so airtight, fresh air needs to be supplied mechanically. These systems exchange stale indoor air with fresh outdoor air while capturing and transferring heat from the outgoing air to the incoming air. This process keeps indoor air fresh without wasting energy, maintaining comfort and air quality. All these principles work together to create a home that needs very little active heating or cooling. Instead, it uses passive energy sources like sunlight and internal heat from appliances and people. This results in a building that is not only energy efficient but also healthier to live in. It offers consistent temperatures, good air quality, and lower energy costs over its lifetime. In the world of sustainable architecture, the Passive House Standard provides a clear, science-based way to design homes that are both environmentally friendly and comfortable. It combines building envelope performance, smart mechanical systems, and thoughtful design to cut energy use and reduce environmental impact. Building to these standards requires careful planning, quality materials, and precise construction, but the payoff is a home that is affordable to operate and better for the planet.